if we want shit to get done, we put it in the pulse. Sorry, I said shit. Recently, Tiffany's asked us to go to Mauritius and to Belgium to shoot some of their diamond facilities. And the Pulse just provided the ease of mind and the peace of mind that I needed to go outside of the country for 15 days to shoot diamonds. It just gives me that communication where I know I can see where my team is and what they're working on wherever I am in the world.
Composite approach makes airplanes and drones, marine drones and air drones. We build flying cars. Currently at Composite Approach, we have 25 employees. At any given moment, we have about 3 airplanes currently in production or being built. We have this crazy thing called the brain, and everything lives in there. All the current projects took place on this Excel spreadsheet, and to update that was just downright silly. I found a Pulse through a Facebook feed. I signed up, and guys got pretty stoked with it. The fact that we can move things around with a click of a button is life-changing, and it has saved us a ton of time and energy and effort. So we really rolled it out internally with a few of us and really decided that it was definitely the software that we wanted to use.
When I first got hired here at Lightning Jar, one of my very first tasks, I had to transform this long, ugly spreadsheet. I took all the information from that spreadsheet, put it into dapulse, and I showed it to my manager, and her jaw dropped.
We used to use a Google spreadsheet for tracking most of our day-to-day work, but it was very limiting, and we found quickly that we needed a solution that could allow us to better organize and improve our collaboration and communication as a team. And just in an hour, we were able to kind of set it up and become familiar with it. Done.
The Pulse has become such a great tool for us, it's almost addictive. So if I'm in a meeting or in a restaurant or in a coffee shop and I remember a task that I need my studio manager to do, I just quickly go on the app and add it. It's the best way to tell her to do something.
I love that dapulse is that, kind of barrier between communication. It feels like I'm talking to my boss, like he's standing right next to me, giving me all the information I need for a job. And with dapulse, I could just look up on it and just find exactly what I need, like I'm talking to him.
My favorite board is the post-production board because we've taken the workflow of post-production and we've assigned each column to each step, starting from the brand assets to music to edit to coloring to sound mix to the final output. And then the name of the game is try to turn everything green.
My favorite things is when we finally click it all to green. Everything is just green, 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 green all the way across. It's great. But when there's one that's yellow, it's just the most stressful thing. I gotta get that one yellow part done.
Dapulse has got to stick around?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll break your kneecaps if you go away. Just so you know.